How to apply for Nationwide Overdraft. You can apply for overdraft in the internet bank, in their banking app, by phone if you have not been able to manage your arranged overdraft online. You can only manage your arranged overdraft over the phone if you are not able to use your internet bank or banking app. Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Closed Sundays and bank holidays. You can call at 0345730210. If your application is successful, your new arranged overdraft will usually be available straight away. In the internet bank, you can do this by logging into internet bank, register for it, select view account, select your account from the list, select overdraft options from the menu on the left side of the page, follow the on-screen instructions to apply for change your limit. If you can't see overdraft option, it could be because an arranged overdraft isn't available on your account. You have changes pending on your account. You will need to download their banking app. Once you are logged in, select your current account, select Manage Overdraft at the bottom of the screen. If your application is successful, your new arranged overdraft will usually be available straight away. However, if you apply between 8:30 p.m. and midnight, it can take up to 2 working days to show in your account. They will also send you a confirmation letter. Thanks for watching.